Alright, so this right here is our laundry room, and it's a standard fluorescent lights, and the lights haven't been working that well. So today, I'm going to replace some of these. See, it came on that time. Sometimes it doesn't quite come on all the way. Just different types of challenges. And without getting into ballasts or starters or other aspects of the lights, we're just going to first start off by taking a look at the actual bulbs and see what we can see. These covers usually just hooked on one side. So you can grab a hold, lift it up a little bit, and then open it up, and it opens right up. Swings wide across there. Now as we were looking at it, we had the inside bulbs for the ones that were having problems. So we can go ahead and take those down and take a look at them. And as we look at them, we can see the burnt portions here. It's usually a good indicator that those are both dead. But it's always a good thing to be aware of that most of these fluorescent setups are actually using pairs. So sometimes the insides are going to be paired together and the outside paired together, meaning that if one of these bulbs go out, then it can take out that entire inside set. Or if an outside bulb goes out, it'll take out the outside set. Now for these, I believe it's going to be both of them, and they come in sets anyway. So we'll replace the first one here and see if that fixes it. If that other one lights up, great. If it doesn't, then maybe we switch them over and see where we are. Grab a hold of these. Oh, and one last thing for you is right here. One of the questions about these bulbs is how to tell what to get. So let me see here, get the lighting right. There we go. So there on the bulb itself, it has the size of the tube, everything that you need. So just what I do is I take a picture of that, and I take that picture to the store and I say, okay, who's going to help me find this bulb? So kind of cheating, but that's what people are there for, is to help you find what you need to find. All right, I'm going to set that bulb aside. Grab the package of bulbs. Like I said, it comes in a 2-pack there, not a 2-pack. I just want to be really clear that this isn't a wrap video. Grab my 2-pack of lights, open them up. All right, 2 bulbs. Alright, we got one over here. Place it into the one side, line it up, place it into the other side. Now this side over here isn't lining up quite right. Every time you do something with these types of lights, it seems like there's always something different going on. So here, there we go. Inside there, it isn't quite. There we go. It isn't quite giving us enough reach. That's connection section is moving out of the way. It's shifting back as I try to drop this in there. So I had to just get a little bit creative there and work it into place, and off it goes. Yeah, that you can kind of see the entire bracket moving with it. That bracket movement is what was causing the challenge for me. Looks like the other side, grabbing this other bulb, it's not doing that. So that gives us the 4 bulbs up and working again. Set my light a little bit out of the way, and let's just turn this on, see if we get all 4 lit up. Nope, we're still having problems with that middle set of bulbs. The top one, outside ones are working, the middle ones are not. So like I thought, the middle ones both went out. So we'll go ahead and replace that other inside light just like we did. All I'm needing to do is just rotate this. There it comes. Once I rotate one of the sides, I'll grab that and show you. When we look in there, you can see how that goes on. Okay, it goes in through that notch on the side there, then it rotates and it locks in there. Now, on the other side, when you're here, it actually has this little cutout. And that cutout makes it so that you have just enough room for the prongs on that light bulb to be able to slide in there. So one side's gonna have a cutout and the other side's not. And for that particular light that we just did, it's on this side. So when you find that notch, you want to put the opposite side in first and put that side in after. I'll show you. Here's the bulb, and here you can see the notches on the end of that. Okay, that's where the bulb connects, goes into those grooves. Okay. Let's go ahead and throw that light bulb up. So I try and find where those are. I just kind of feel where they are with my finger. That lets me know which orientation they are. I slide the one in all the way, take the other side, put it through that notch, slide it up in, and then we rotate it. Okay. Feels like it went in. Let's see what happens when we turn the switch on. And that means I didn't get one of them. Hey, there we go. Wasn't rotated quite all the way. Looks like these other ones are different color. I don't know if you can see that on the camera, but the new ones we put in are a little bit brighter than the old ones, which could be age or it could be that they're a different type of bulb. Either one of those reasons is just fine. All right, so that replaces the bulb. Now we just grab our cover, slide it back up on here, latch it into place, and we're done.